in November 2020, I was looking for something unique and beneficial for my own health and well-being. I was really desperate to restore my health issues. That tree is so fascinating. And what happened was, I picked up how many stem, and I bring it home. And I promise you, it was a beautiful, beautiful, fascinating Christmas decoration. And anybody that they come and visit at home, and they said, "Hey, where did you get that?" I said, "Up in there, in the open field." But you know what? That area is so spooky. So I wish you like this. Oh my goodness. Don't miss this video because I have a lot of story to tell you and share it with you. And you're gonna be fascinating about it. This is very common decoration in North America. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Hopefully, you love it and you will learn something beneficial for our health and well-being because that is what we need. Like organic fruit and vegetables, and this is the best one because it is powerful with antioxidant and vitamin C. Okay, see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye. I know God is